Welcome to my channel, Gadgets and Software. Hope you have liked my previous videos. If not, please watch my previous videos. If you like it, then share it and subscribe to this channel, Gadgets and Software. Do I need KeePass? And why I need KeePass? So before you watch this video, you might have this question in your mind. Let me answer that. Today, in this digital world, where every individual, even a layman who is not a computer savvy or not any technical geek or anyone, from a farmer to an individual, from data is digitally available in government websites, in your social websites, in your professional websites, in your emails, so on and so forth. So all of those websites where you have registered and you have registered with same email ID or same user ID or different, but you may not have same password. You may have many variant passwords which are hard to remember and not safe to keep in any of the files which are readable. You have to protect your account so that your account is not jeopardized by any digital thief and hence ending up losing all your data. So KeePass is a free open source password manager which helps you to manage your password in a secure way. You can store all your password in one database which is locked with a master key. So you only have to remember one single master key to unlock the whole database. Database files are encrypted using the best and the most secure encryption algorithms currently known AES-256, ChaCha20, and Twofish. For more information, you may see the keepass.info features website. The second thing in your mind is, does it cost? No, it's free. Yes, KeePass is really free, and more than that, it is open source, which is OSI certified. You can have a look at its full source code and check whether the security features are implemented correctly. The KeePass feature, you have strong security, multiple user keys, portable and non-installation required accessibilities, export to TXT, HTML, XML, and CSV files, import from many file formats, easy database transfer, support of password groups, time fields, and entry attachments, auto type, global auto type, hotkey, drag and drop, intuitive and secure clipboard handling, searching and sorting, multi-language support, strong random password generator, plugin architecture, open source. Okay, let us go to feature one, that is strong security. KeePass supports the advanced encryption standard AES, regional, and two-piece algorithm to encrypt its password database. Both of these ciphers are regarded as being very secure. AES example became effective as a US federal government standard and is approved by National Security Agency NSA for top secret information. The complete database is encrypted, not only the password fields, so your usernames, notes, etc. are all encrypted too. SHA-256 is used to hash the master key components. SHA-256 is a 256 with cryptographically secure one-way hash function. No attacks are known at against SHA-256. The output is transformed using a key derivation function. Protection against dictionary and guessing attacks by transforming the master key components hash using a key derivation function, AES, KDF, Aragon 2, and so forth and so on. Dictionary and guessing attacks can be made harder. So, coming again on the strong security features of KeePass. Process memory protection. Your passwords are encrypted while KeePass is running. So even when the operating system dumps the KeePass process to disk, your passwords aren't revealed. 2x protected in-memory streams. When loading the inner XML format, the passwords are encrypted using a session key. Security enhanced password edit control. KeePass is the first password manager that features security enhanced password edit controls. None of the available password edit control spies work against these controls. The password entered in those controls aren't even visible in the process memory of KeePass. The master key dialog can be shown on secure desktop on which almost no keylogger works. Auto type can be protected against keyloggers too. More information, visit https://keepass.info, helpage So there you get more detailed insight about security features. Coming to the next feature, that is multiple user keys. One master password decrypts the complete database. Alternatively, you can use key files. Key files provide better security than master password in most cases. You only have to carry the key file with you. For example, on a floppy disk. Nowadays, floppy disks are not there. USB stick, or you can burn it on a CD, of course. You shouldn't lose the disk then. That is the bottleneck. You shouldn't lose the key files where you have copied or placed or backed up. So this is a point to note. For even more security, you can combine the above two methods. The database then requires the key file and the password in order to be unlocked. Even if you lose your key file, the database would remain secure. 2x additionally, you can log the database to the current Windows user account. The database can then only be opened by the same person who created it. So again, more information about keys, you may go to this website. Coming to the another feature, portable and non-installation required accessibility. That is, portable and no installation required and accessibility. KeePass is portable. It can be carried on an USB stick and runs on Windows system without being installed. Installer packages are available for one who likes to have shortcuts in their Windows start menu and on the desktop. So I have just shown you. I have I downloaded the zipped one where you can carry on any of the location. So that is one of the important things, that you can have a installer as well as a zipped one. KeePass doesn't store anything on your system. The program doesn't create any new registry keys and it doesn't create any installation files, that is INF files, in your Windows directory. Deleting the KeePass directory in case you downloaded the binary zip package, or using the uninstaller in case you downloaded the installer package, leaves no trace of KeePass on your system. So for example, if you are installing something in your Windows, you have the system registry. So whatever you uninstall, you have the footprints registered there in the regedit, where you can see it. That is what it is being described. Ports for other systems like Android, iOS, etc. are available. See the download page, https keypassword info slash downloads.html. I have shown you there are like 1.39. There's one version that is majorly for the mobile application. 2.x accessibility. KeePass 2.x features an advanced option that explicitly optimizes the user interface for screen readers. Features. Let us go to another feature, that is export to text, HTML, XML, and CSV file. The password list can be exported to various formats like text, HTML, XML, and CSV. The XML output can be easily used in other applications. The HTML output uses cascading style sheets, that is CSS, to format the table so you can easily change the layout. CSV output is fully compatible with most other password safes like the commercial closed source password keeper and the closed source password agent. Also, the CSV can be imported by spreadsheets applications like Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice Calc. Many other file formats are supported through KeePass plugin. And the next feature is import from many file formats. KeePass uses the common CSV export format of various password safes like password keeper and password agent. Exports from these programs can be easily imported to your KeePass database. KeePass can parse and import text outputs of Code Wallet Pro, a commercial closed source password safe. KeePass can import text files created by Bruce Neisner's password safe V2. 2.x out of the box. KeePass supports importing more than 35 formats. So for more information of the import and export details, you may find a link in KeePass info help page import.export.html. Many other file formats are supported through KeePass plugins. So KeePass plugins, I'll think will come in the late features. I'll explain it. Another feature is easy database transfer. A password database consists of only one file that can be transferred from one computer to another computer easily. Another feature is support of password groups. You can create, modify, and delete groups in which passwords can be sorted into. The groups can be arranged as a tree, so a group can have subgroups. Those subgroups can have a subgroup themselves. Another feature is time fields and entry attachment. KeePass supports time fields, creation time, last modification time, last access time, and expiration time. You can attach files to password entries. Useful to store PGP signature files in KeePass, for example, 2.x. KeePass has a powerful internal viewer editor for text files, images, and documents. You don't even need to export attached files to view, edit them for security considerations. Another feature is autotype, global autotype, hotkey, drag and drop. KeePass can minimize itself and type the information of currently selected entry into dialogues, web forms, etc. Of course, the typing sequence is 100% user customizable. Read the documentation file for more. You may have it in KeePass.info. KeePass features a global autotype hotkey. When KeePass is running in the background, open database, and you press the hotkey, it looks up the correct entry and executes it autotype sequence. All fields, title, username, password, URL, and nodes can be dragged and dropped into other windows. Features of intuitive and secure Windows clipboard handling. Just double click on any field of the entry list, copy its value to the Windows clipboard. Time clipboard clearing. KeePass can clear the clipboard automatically sometime after you have copied on your passwords onto it, into it. Sorry. So it says like the entries what you have seen, you just need to double click it, copy to your clipboard, and there is a downtime going on. And for example, it's like 60 seconds or 30 seconds or however. So it will go, there is a downtime going on. After it, the copied passwords are erased automatically. Feature of searching and sorting. You can search for specific entries in the database to sort a password group. Just click on one of the column headers in the password list. You can sort by any column. Another feature is multi-language support. KeePass can be translated into other languages very easily. Over 45 different languages are available. You can see translation.html. What it is there, like people who have created translations, they have added the languages. If you want, you can download and use it. Coming to another feature, strong random password generation. KeePass can generate strong random passwords for you. I'll show you in the demo coming ahead. You can define the possible output characters of the generator, number of characters and type, random seeding through user input, mouse movement, and random keyboard input. So I had briefed before there is a plugin for it. So there is one of the feature, plugin architecture. So since it's open source, freely available, the source code is there in sourceforge.com. Other people who are interested, who are tech savvy, good developers, or anyone who is interested can write the plugin for KeePass. Plugins can extend the functionality of KeePass, like providing additional import, export methods for other file formats. So the feature, the one and the most important feature, it is open source. KeePass free and you have full access to its source. Open source prevents backdoors. You can have a look at its source code and compile it yourself. You can yourself check if the security is implemented correctly. You can, if you want, use any other encryption algorithm. You can embed any encryption algorithm Since it's open source code is there, have those access to the algorithms, or you are a developer or you're a programmer who create algorithms, you can embed them into KeePass. Opening the sources also encourages other people to port the application to other systems. Pocket PC version already in development or write translation. KeePass is OSI certified, open source software. OSI certified is a certification mark of the open source initiative. That is OSI certified.